As CFO, Jennifer needs timely access to executive and management data from across the organization so she can effectively monitor and measure performance and ensure the company is achieving its strategic goals. Before Solver, it was a time-consuming and manual process for her team to compile this data from multiple sources. Now, all of this information is available in one place and accessible on demand in whatever format she needs it. For an at-a-glance overview of company performance, she pulls up a KPI dashboard that was created with Solver's pre-built integration to Power BI, the world's #1 visualization solution. Here, she can view the key performance indicators for 3 areas she monitors closely on a continuous basis: revenues, profitability, and liquidity. The underlying data that feeds this dashboard comes from multiple systems, including the current ERP, a legacy ERP, and an additional internal database that houses operational records. All of this information is now easily accessible in a single cloud-based solution through Solver's intelligent data warehouse. While reviewing her KPIs, she can easily see performance against budget through the red-green highlighting, and when numbers exceed certain preset thresholds, such as cash falling below a minimum balance, she receives an alert so she can instruct her team to take action. To continue her analysis, she can select a link to one of the related dashboards or formatted Solver reports listed below for further review. In this case, she sees that product revenue is underperforming against budget, so she'd like to drill in further on that area by selecting the revenue dashboard. Here, she can see additional details around the makeup of revenue and comparison against prior year and budget, and continue to hone in on areas that may need attention. After reviewing the revenue dashboard, she chooses to view more detailed information via a formatted Solver report to complete her review. By clicking on the selected report, she launches the Solver web portal, which opens directly into the report she chose to view. Here, she sees revenue information laid out in standard columns and rows, by salesperson, by period. While here, when she sees a value that she'd like to analyze further, she can right-click and drill down to view underlying transactional details from the source system, such as, in this case, customer and product transactions. This allows her to complete her analysis by isolating the variance and to take the action needed to improve performance. Next, Jennifer receives a notification, both via email and within the Solver web portal, that a report has been shared with her. Since her team is finalizing month-end close, she is expecting to receive drafts of the monthly financial package for review. To view the new report, she selects the Solver archive, which is where she, like any Solver user, is able to access the reports that have been shared with her. The archive acts like an inbox for reports, keeping them organized so she is able to ensure that she is always viewing the most up-to-date version of any report, like the monthly financial package or a daily flash report that is automatically distributed to her. While viewing reports in the archive, she still has the ability to drill down on underlying journal entry level transactions to immediately get answers without need for additional follow-up with her team. Once she has approved the monthly financial package, she can leverage Solver's playlist functionality in the archive to group the reports into a PowerPoint-style presentation for the board, but without having to maintain the format in a separate tool. The playlist displays her reports in a full screen view, which shows them as objects at the very bottom of the screen, allowing her to easily navigate back and forth. And when a question arises, because she's still in Solver, she can easily drill down to provide additional information where and when it is needed. With Solver, Jennifer has access to the information she needs when she needs it, so she can make faster and better decisions that drive the growth of the company and protect its assets.